my channel. I hope you all are doing well and are safe at home. Today's video is going to be on my foundation routine, my latest foundation routine. So ever since my skin has broken out, I have gotten a lot of pimples, and now the pimples are gone and I'm dealing with the scars, and I never used to have such scars. So my foundation routine has kind of changed, and I know a lot of Mau fam members, my lovely subscribers, are suffering through the same issue. They are also having blemished skin like me. So this is like a foundation routine for your blemished skin. We're going to talk about skin prep, how I color correct my blemishes, and this can easily pass for your outings, or if you have started going to your office, whatever it is, you can do this because it's very subtle and natural. There is no heavy eyeliner or heavy eyeshadow or highlighter. There is no highlighter on my face, just by the way. So yeah, if you're interested, then please keep on watching. Alright, so my skin is screaming for moisture. I mean, it's so tight right now. So if you have followed my channel since a very long time, you would notice that I am on like strict skincare given by my dermat. I'm also taking some oral medicines. I mean, only one oral medicine, and it just makes my skin super dry, and I already have a very dry skin type. So for me, when it comes to foundation routine, I have to be very careful with the moisturizing part. I have to do my skin prep really well, and that's when these sheet masks come in handy. Now, sheet mask has always been my holy grail. You already know that. I mean, you give me any sheet mask and I'm always up for it. I have so many sheet masks in my fridge. I mean, my friends make fun of me that your fridge is filled with sheet masks more than food. And I have 5 variants by Lakme. This is the Lakme Blush and Glow Fruitalicious sheet mask. I have kiwi over here, then I have lemon, then this is strawberry, then pomegranate and watermelon. I am leaning towards watermelon right now, so I'm gonna put this on my face. I had put them in the fridge, so they are nice and cold. They are so inexpensive, ek to. Secondly, they are hassle free. You can work while you have a sheet mask on, and once oh my god, the scent of this is to die for. So these sheet masks are packed with the fruit punch, and these sheet masks give such a youthful glow. You're gonna see it in a bit. I'm gonna let it sit for 15 minutes. Do not let the sheet mask dry for really long. So after 10 to 15 minutes, I removed the sheet mask, and look at the glow, you guys. And my skin is literally thanking me right now. It feels so hydrated and plump, and you're not supposed to wash your face. Whatever serum is there on your face, just massage it gently in your skin till it gets absorbed, and let your skin just absorb the goodness of this sheet mask. I am just massaging this serum mainly on my nose area and my mouth area, basically making an 8 with it because that's like the most troubled area. Alright, this is how my skin looks like. The serum is completely absorbed in my skin, and I'm obsessed with these sheet masks. I'll be leaving the link of these in the description box below. Don't forget to check that out. Now, you have to wait till the serum is completely absorbed in your skin. Do not go in with an extremely wet face, otherwise your foundation is just gonna slip and slide. Now, if you know me, you know that I don't like heavy foundation looks no matter what the occasion is. My foundation routine is very simple and very natural looking, because photos pe ya camera pe sab acha dikhta hai. When you see someone in person, you want to look good, right? Not everybody is a content creator. The first thing that you see on my face is my dark circles, isn't it? So clearly I am supposed to conceal it. That's where I focus the most product. Otherwise, I don't use a lot of product on my face. I mainly focus a lot of concealer to just color correct and just hide my dark circles. I'm using a brush to blend the concealer. As you guys can see, I am not dragging it. I am just patting it with the brush. I'll be leaving all the links and the product details either on the screen or in the description box. Don't forget to check that out. Now, I'm using a brush because I want the maximum coverage, right? When you want sheer coverage, go for a beauty blender. Okay, the concealer is nicely blended. I know it looks a little weird right now, but let the foundation and the eyebrows come in, then you're gonna love this. Then moving on to concealing your problematic area on your face, which are your blemishes. Now, if you have darker blemishes than what I am having right now, then go in with a green corrector, because red is camouflaged by green. So you can use that and then go in with the concealer. For me, I am okay. मतलब थोड़े से मेरे blemishes दिखे तो भी मुझे चलता है. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use another concealer which is close to my skin color. Okay, you can't go darker or lighter. You have to have the concealer which matches your skin tone exactly, and start placing the concealer on those areas. And once you have done that, I'm gonna come closer to the screen so you guys can see. You have to use your fingers and start blending the product in. Now can you guys see how this concealer is exactly my skin tone? It's matching my neck. That's why it's seamless. If the concealer shade is wrong, it's just gonna look very messy and weird. So make sure that you have chosen the right shade. Now I have made a video called how to choose your foundation shade online. This is how it looks like. Go give it a watch. It's very helpful. So you have to blend the concealer to the right amount, not too much and not too little. You have to blend till it, you know, covers your scars. But if you blend a lot, it's gonna take out the coverage, right? So just be very gentle, and in tapping motions, do not drag it. Once again, don't drag it, just pat it. Can you guys see? Yeah. Now we're gonna do the same on this cheek. Alright, now the problematic areas are completely concealed. That is your under eyes, blemishes, pigmentation, whatever you have on your face. Now it's time to go in with your foundation. Now sometimes people put the foundation first and then use the concealer. It's totally up to you. Whatever you like to do, you can go ahead. This is what I like to do, because you know, when I have concealed my under eyes and the problematic areas, I know I'm going to use very little foundation just to even out the skin tone, because my mouth area kind of looks little off. This area and this area still needs a little coverage, so that's when the foundation layer comes in. You can choose whichever foundation that you like. Just make sure it's matching your skin tone perfectly. Again, I cannot emphasize on this fact that, you know, you have to have right shades of foundation. So can you see, I'm just taking this much, and first I'm going to use it on my mouth area because that's what, you know, is needing some coverage. So I'm gonna put it on that area, and leftover is gonna be on my forehead. This is how my face looks like. Look at the glow. And the credit goes to the sheet masks. I just love these sheet masks, and they don't feel extremely heavy on your face either. Okay, moving on to powdering, because whatever glow you are seeing right now is gonna slip and slide if you don't set your face, no matter what your skin type is. I'm gonna use this powder with the damp sponge. Now because I have dry skin type, this is what works for me. So, you know, I'm just gonna take the powder on the sponge and I'm gonna start setting my under eyes. I don't like to bake because that just looks too much for daily basis. Can you see? This is still looking shiny, and look at this. Look how flawless this part is looking. Now you can go ahead and set your rest of the face if you have oily skin type. What I am gonna do is I'm just gonna set my T-zone and I'm gonna leave my cheeks as it is. Time for some eyebrows. I mean, you are just gonna see how eyebrows change your look. Now if you are blessed with good bushy brows, you can skip this step, but I am unfortunately not. Can you see the difference? Look how unfinished this side looks like, and look at this. Alright, next step is to bring back some color to your face, because my face looks like a vampire right now. And for that we're going to use tints. Now I have always spoken about tints, but I understand that not everybody has a tint, but what everybody has is a lipstick. So what we're going to do is use any lipstick that you like. I'm using this pinky corally shade. You can choose whichever shade that you prefer, and what I'm going to do is bring some color back to my face. I'm going to take this on my finger. Now liquid lipstick won't work for this. You have to have like a bullet lipstick, because those are more malleable and, you know, you can blend them on your face. You have to put your blush from your temples till your cheek. Like, you can come here also. Some people like to use it till here, but recently I've been loving to use it like this, on this area only. So I'm just gonna pat this. Can you see the placement? And start blending in. Now go in circular motions like this. Again, use patting motions and do not drag your finger, because that will just lift up the concealer and the foundation you have put underneath. Now I'll take some more and use it on my eyelids. It doesn't have to be perfect, you know, you just have to roughly put it on your lid. Alright, I'm gonna use the same lipstick on my lips, of course. And last but not the least is using a mascara, whichever mascara that you like. You have to curl your lashes if you want extra length and that curly effect. Now you can go ahead and use a highlighter as well on a daily basis if you like, but this is what I like, and I feel the glow that the sheet mask has given really stays for a very long time. See, even when I'm talking you can clearly see the glow, and I have not put any highlighter. You can clearly see there is no chunky shimmer on my face. Okay guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you liked it. If you did, then don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. I hope this video was helpful in some or the other way. Let me know how you like to prep your skin before makeup. I would love to know in the comments down below. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. I also have one more channel called Manasi Mau on which I post daily vlogs. Go give it a watch if you like it. Usko bhi follow kar dena. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Until then, stay positive and stay happy. Bye bye.